Hi, welcome to the Kitchen Diva. C'est moi, just back from Tunisia, and I have this special look for you today. Now, I am about to cook for you a tagine, and I think this is one of the easiest things I've ever learned to cook. So if you give me a minute, I will start running the ingredients by you. Here I have chicken breasts, 3 huge ones. Now, I have pickled lemons. I think they're limes, but they're called pickled lemons. And you can buy them in a jar like this. And it says preserved lemons. And some olives. I've used big and small olives. Half a chopped onion. Some celery. I like the little leaves and everything. I think they just look pretty. I have a stock Duda. They also come in this form. And here, a bay leaf, which I'm still trying to work out what the purpose of bay leaves are. I believe they're flavor, but I really don't know. Cumin powder, some peppercorns, and saffron. I have very little turmeric in there, but you don't necessarily need that. And some olive oil. And here we go. I will tell you what I'm actually making. It's chicken in pickled lemons with olives, self-explanatory. I'm going to take some olive oil. And as you know, I'm really good with measurements and things like that. Not. I have all these measuring spoons and stuff, but when I look for them, I can never find them. Today, teaspoons. I can't find my tablespoon, so I will try another one. Okay, I'm going to use one of these and hold this down in case it drips in. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, and 4 spoons of, a broken olive oil bottle. No, I'm lying. And to this, I am going to add my onions. Now a proper chef would say roughly chopped onions, but for me, that takes a lot of hard work because I really am not very good at chopping onions. And my celery. Now this is where it gets really exciting because everything goes in together. I'm putting into this my chicken. And I might actually add in one more bit. Yeah, why not? My lemons, my olives, the bay leaf, which we know has a really good reason for being in there, the cumin, and peppercorns. Now I'm putting in my saffron, and I'm trying to reduce on the salt because all the pickled veg here, I mean the lemon and everything has salt in itself. So it doesn't need so much salt after all. And now I am going to add water that goes in there. And I am going to lid it. And this is how difficult this dish is to make. And let's hope the lid fits. Bravo. And you boil the heck out of it. Now, along with this, I have made some vegetables. Just put in some cauliflower, broccoli, swede, carrots, courgettes, and I boil that with one stock cube and some turmeric, and that is going to go as a side veg with this. As much as this doesn't sound exciting when you see it, when you actually eat it, wonderful. Now, well, I just tried it and I thought I could do with some more lemon in here. And this time I'm going to put them in whole, because when I eat them, that's what I like to do. Now, this is almost done. I want to run something by you. Now, this is a tagine, a very old tagine actually. Now, the actual way of making a tagine is you throw all the ingredients in and stick it in a clay oven or an oven of some sort, and you bake it. But I find it takes a long time, and for a cookery show, it doesn't always work as nicely. So, because you're going back and forth from the oven and blah, blah. So, I cook it this way for the show, but if I was having a Moroccan night or something, I actually would put it in the tagine and put it in the oven. So you have the option. It's easier to see how it looks when you do it in a pot like this. So now here I've made some couscous. It's steamed couscous, and since my husband absolutely hates couscous, I've had to make some rice. So I made a sort of Moroccan-y feel to my rice as well. And I'm going to display them all together so you can have a look, one with the veg and one with the chicken, and make it look quite fun. Here in my tagine, which I told you we can bake as well, I'm going to display everything together so that you get a look at what wonderful effort I've made to actually make it traditionally with couscous and also untraditionally for my husband, because he always lands up making life a little bit harder for me. No, I tell a lie. He's actually quite cool. So that is my couscous, which fell apart. And there. Now stay there, will you? There you go. I'm also going to put a wee bit of rice for the ricey people on the side there. That's also falling apart, so it doesn't really matter. It's not going to look as pretty as I expected. Now on that rice, I'm going to put a few raisins. I may as well chuck some on my couscous as well. And some flaked almonds. Just so you know, I'm making this up as I go along. Not really. Pedro panicked there for a minute. He thought, oh my God, no, not again. She's making up dishes again. I do that a lot. Now, here we have c'est magnifique. Now, there's your chicken and your limon and olives. Oh, that does look good, and that does smell even better. Let's put a few more of those there. There you go. And now to balance our food a bit, some beta carotene, some greeny thing, courgette, some swede, and all the way from Sweden, a Swede, some green beans and cauliflower. There you go. Oh, that does look nice. And I'm going to soak some of this in to my couscous. And now it's all in there, like I said. It's in a tagine. So voila. And this doubles up as a hat when I'm not wearing my fez. But since it's got all steamy, chickeny thing, I can't do it. So there you go. Now, the proof of the pudding. Oh no, it's not a pudding, so it doesn't work for him, does it? I should have made the rice into rice pudding. Okay, is now in the eating. Pedro, my dear, see now how soft my chicken is, tearing away. Pedro, come and try it, please. You're welcome. So, as you can see, all in all, I put just 4 tablespoons of oil and for all that stuff, and that's it. This was steamed water, rice boiled in water, and my veg was boiled in water, so it's pretty healthy. So there you go. Till next time, I will see you soon. Au revoir.